Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the AI cartoon filter on the Polish application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and tap on the create button. Select a picture and then slide to the right side and click on the AI cartoon button. Then you should select from these filters, and as you can see, the cartoon is being processed, so in a few seconds you are going to see the result of this 3D toon filter. As you can see, it's applied. So that's how it looks like. You have a bunch of other options, but you either need to watch an ad to unlock it, or you should subscribe to premium. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.